Hi, folks. Today we're going to be working on cutting some lumber out of some of these twisty logs here. Um, Not twisty, but curved. I always save the interesting curved logs for other uses later on. That maybe I can make a nice curved bench or something. So we're going to be using the chainsaw. See if we can get some wood out of them. There's my pile of logs. Anytime I cut down a tree, I always save out anything that's got a nice curve or twist. um, Interesting pieces like that that are rotten on the inside. I made this peeling spud out of a nice heavy-duty shovel, nice forged old shovel like that, and sharpened the edge and a handle for it. And it's good for scraping the log down. I don't have to peel the whole log, but I want to peel the part that had a little dirt in it. And I was dragging it out of the wood where the line, my cutting line is going to be. I have this 4-foot chainsaw bar, ripping chain, um, that I have on a fairly old saw, but it's a powerful saw. I had thought that it would be the best thing for getting really straight, long cuts because it's such a long bar that you could really use that as your guide. Unfortunately, it's so much drag that I'm not sure it's doing the saw any favors. Um, you can see here the shavings. They're really nice, long, kind of spaghetti-like shavings. That's what you're looking for because you're ripping with the grain, so you're getting these long shreds. It cuts a lot faster. I tie the, the chain to the blade, to the bar, just because it's such a pain to get that long chain on there without getting all twisted up. So that's a handy little hack there, is to tie it on there, and then it's all ready to go the next time you need it. So the moral of the story is you can chainsaw boards. It's don't be deceived by how easy they make it sound on a lot of the other videos. It's not easy. It's a lot of hard work. It's a long time cutting, a lot of vibration. Your hands ache afterwards, but you can do it, and it's worth doing it on some interesting boards like this that you could never run through a sawmill, or if you did run them through a sawmill, you'd have to have a really wide sawmill to accommodate that curve. But you can do it, um, and you have to do a lot of work on the boards afterwards to make them smooth. A lot of planing to get all the imperfections out, but it's possible. And I've done quite a few over the years, but it's not. If you're making lumber, take the logs to the sawmill. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.